Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. We are starting off the vlog inside the Shelby GT350. We are headed up to a late night car meet. This is going to be the first meet we're going to since turning up the car. It is hot, it is humid, but I think there are a lot of cars here. Hopefully it's popping. Because if not, that's gonna suck. But we are kind of pulling up a little bit earlier than we usually do to these late night meets. So if it's dry, you know what? It is what it is. It's not like it's, you know, 12:30 at night. Ooh, something going on up here. I think we've been to this location. I think it's like right up here. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, it's definitely right up here. Oh yeah. Holy cow, it's packed. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh, it's packed. It is packed, ladies and gentlemen. My car is dirty as hell, but you know what? It is what it is. Of course. God damn, bruh. Like, I can't believe people be blasting that shit. Yo.
Are you, yes you are. Wait, no you're not. Are you NA?
No.
No?
No.
You're not NA? Okay. You see where that, like, 350Z is?
Yeah.
Work on the right end.
Alright.
Alright, thanks.
Yep.
Hey, break that shit. Yo, what up?
Yo, what up?
Over there,
I think he can park behind me or something. I think I might have took Brandon's spot on accident, but you know what? It is what it is. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Kind of getting active. Stopping over there. Z06 right here. Is that Joe POV?
Yo, show them what you're drinking.
Huh?
Show them what you're drinking.
I'll put y'all on right now. Kind of matches the car a little bit, I ain't gonna lie. What are you drinking? Electrolyte water? So this dude goes to the gym 2 times, forgets how to act.
What does this have to do with anything?
Bro, this is like, what is this?
Let me see this. Let me see this. Holy fuck.
What? It's probably bad.
Holy
What is it?
fuck.
Huh?
62 grams, how many ounces, or how many like fluid ounces is that?
I don't know. It's 1% juice.
You're gonna piss like fucking, what do they call those things?
Razor blades?
Yeah, you're gonna be pissing, kidney stones.
This is probably really bad for you though. I ain't gonna lie.
You've never had a kidney stone?
No, I hope not. I don't want to.
Never had one?
No.
Dude, the day you have one,
Don't say that.
if you have one, I hope you don't.
Have you ever had one?
Huh?
Have you had one?
No, my stepdad did. It was bad.
Oh God.
It was bad.
Man.
I hope you don't, bro, because those are fun, bro. It's literally like pissing out a razor.
Jesus. What happened? Oh. I got a bad. Huh?
You inconsiderate asshole.
Oh, he did? The hell yeah. Yeah, he about to-
Dude, I like that. Maybe too hot.
So we gotta walk around or what?
I'm not walking around.
Yes, we are.
Alright, I'll follow you.
Yeah.
I'll follow you.
That looks nice. Shit, look at this 650.
Is that his car?
Dope. That car is badass, so I'll do like
What?
that. That car is nice. Got the aerospace brakes on it too. Look.
Probably Max NA car.
Yeah.
How do you feel about the trunk with no?
I kind of like it, bro.
With the no,
With no,
like little-
the lip, whatever. Yeah, I like it. I think it looks good.
I like it, but it does look a little weird. But I think if I owned it, like it would 100% grow on.
Yeah, yeah. I like it. Continue to walk.
I love that thing.
Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, they got a whole speaker set up over there. Fucking hell. Whipple 6, or I said almost said a Whipple 650. Whipple less 550 over there. This shit's pretty cool. That's pretty badass. Oh shit. That nitrous back there. Not hooked up, but that's pretty cool. Damn. Some nice cars here.
A few moments later.
Take a look at this, y'all. Got some GTS up there. 15 with the brake delete. Brake delete. Fuck. This shit crazy. Full spin build. All right, it is the next day. Back at the casa. Now the weather has taken a turn for the worst, ladies and gentlemen. As you can probably hear, it is coming down. We're literally in like the worst season right now. It was not this bad last year, I swear. But above all, make sure you guys stay safe out there. I'm going nowhere because we already know what can happen if you go out with drag radios on in the rain. Like always, if you enjoyed the vid, feel free, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. That brake delete NA setup was crazy. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully we get some dry weather very, very soon. Deuces.